Hello? Talking Angela? What the hell? Tell us upstairs. Guys. Oh crap. Guys, the door's unlocked. I locked the door when I started this video. I don't know why it's unlocked, but it sounds like there's something upstairs. Hello? Is there someone upstairs? Angela? Anyone here? Hello? Angela? What the hell was that? Guys, oh my god, someone just slammed the door. Oh, what? Guys, the lights just turned on. What the hell is going on right now? Like the door literally just slammed and after that the lights turned on. Like, oh my god, guys. Is the game over? Did Angela just like try to scare me and that was it? I don't know, guys. I'm gonna open the door. We're gonna see what's on the other side. Angela? Closing the door. Wait a minute, guys. The lights are all back on. What? Guys, all the lights just turned back on. I don't know if it's like the game is like over. I don't know if like that was like Angela trying to scare me, but let's go back to the phones and let's see like what the hell's going on. Guys, what the hell is going on?